Meaning of indelicate.
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 Indelicate. The term indelicate refers to behavior, language or actions that are considered to be lacking in refinement or tact, and are therefore likely to offend or embarrass others. It suggests a lack of sensitivity or appropriate social skills, often leading to awkward or uncomfortable situations. Indelicate behavior can be characterized by a lack of consideration for the feelings or perspectives of others, and can be particularly problematic in professional or social settings where etiquette and decorum are important. It is important to be aware of the impact of our words and actions, and strive to cultivate a more considerate and respectful approach in all aspects of our lives.